Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pad Go, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. To get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and locate the toggle. For me, it is on the second page right over here. Once you see this toggle first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize it. Now, by default, there is a randomly generated password, so you can click right over here at the hotspot settings, and luckily it does select it by default, so you can just quickly get rid of it and set up our own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. You can also change other settings in here, but I do recommend keeping them as they are, set by default if you don't know what they do. This will ensure that your hotspot works with the widest array of devices. Now, another thing that I recommend not changing is the automatically turn off personal hotspot after 10 minutes. And this will make it so when you forget to turn it off yourself, hotspot won't be wasting your battery for prolonged amounts of time, just 10 minutes after you're done with it, and then it's just gonna automatically turn off. So pretty neat. Now, once everything is set, find the toggle, and this time around, just simply tap on it. As you can see, it enables it, and you can now connect to it and utilize your mobile hotspot from the device. Anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.